Alrighty, hi everybody. So today we're going to be doing another Scratch video, and yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to get rid of this cat real quick. This is going to be a little more fast-paced than my previous one, as I think that's the format that more appeals to people. So, okay, yeah. So first we're going to get a car. We're going to make it a little smaller. Let's draw the background real quick. Let's make it a nice, let's see. I want to take a nice gray. Can I not do that? Do I have to draw the whole thing? Alright, that's okay. So here is the background. I want to draw a little island in the middle that I want to be green. There we go. Perfect. Okay. This is looking good so far. Let's draw the starting line real quick. And let's put some text in there that says start. I'm going to rotate this. And we're going to move it down into the starting line. Perfect. Looks great. Okay. So here's our first racer. We're going to go to events. When clicked, motion. Let's go to control forever. Motion, move. What this is, also we're going to go to this. So what this is going to do is when I click the green button, it's going to teleport the car to these coordinates, and then it's going to always move forward. There you go. It's driving along. Amazing. Great, we're halfway done pretty much. Let's slow this down a little bit. I think like 6 is probably better. So this is like for each movement of the loop, it's going to move forward a little bit. Yeah, this looks good. Then we're going to go back to control. We're going to get an if block. Actually, that's fine. Yeah, we're going to go to sensing, key. We're going to do right arrow. We're going to go back to motion, turn 15 degrees. Let's see what happens. So this is good, but not perfect. So actually, we have another problem now. When I press go, it drives in the same direction as it was going before. See? So we need to actually reset the direction, point in direction 90. So what this is going to do is it's going to teleport the car, point it in the proper direction facing to the right, and then it will always move 6 steps at a time. Now, this is looking pretty good. Actually, 6 is still pretty quick. Let's do like 4. Here we go. Okay. So I think I turned too quickly. Something this size really wouldn't be able to turn like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, go to control, get a weight block, and then I'm going to put like 0.05 in here. Let's see. I think 0.05 is too long. I think that's too short now. Sorry, let's just play around with this for a sec. Okay, that looks okay for now. Let's duplicate this. If I right-click and press duplicate, now I'm going to switch to left arrow, and I'm going to turn not this direction, but I go back to motion. I'm going to turn the opposite direction. Oops, put the weight in there. So I still think I wait too long. Let's see. If I take the weight out of this and just like make it wait, will that fix things? Oh yeah, this fixes it. So what's actually happening now is it's just delaying it a little bit. Perfect. So yeah, now this is actually our race car game pretty much, but it's not much of a race car game without another car. So let's change that real quick. I'm going to right click on this, I'm going to click duplicate. So we have food truck 1 and food truck 2. Excuse me, food truck 2. So I'm going to actually change this to racer 1. and Racer 2. Just so we don't lose track of things. So this is Racer 2. Let's make them start down here. And Racer 1 is going to start up here. Perfect. So let me change that real quick. So I'm in Racer 1 right now. If I go here, it has updated coordinates. So whenever I move it around, it updates the coordinates. See, it's now -120, -63. If I move it again, it changes to -447, 147, and 45. So that's good. And I'm going to go here and change the coordinates the same way. It updates them automatically. And boom. So now they're both controlled with the same controls, which is not... this is not very much of a two-player racing game. So I'm in Race Car 2 right now. Let's change these controls to A for right and D for left. So now I can race them independently. They can race around. They can both spin in circles. Yeah, perfect. So this is great. And I press the start button, they're both going to start at the same place. Now, it's a little confusing because they both look identical. So let's change that. Let's go to Race Car 2, or Racer 2, and go to Costumes. And I'm going to change it to Food Truck C. Now, they still look too similar for my taste. So I'm going to change this color to more of a, let's do a nice blue color. There we go, that's nice. So, let's change, let's see, what is better? Let me just, beautiful. Okay, can I paint this now? Actually, you know what, this is okay. It's very clear now what's what, and let's make it a nice purple hot dog real quick, okay? Purple hot dog, perfect. And with this, you've just made your very first two-player race car game. This is fantastic. Yeah, so we can, next time, I'm going to show you how to kind of improve on this. But yeah, as of right now, this is our two-player race car game. Perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was useful. And if you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to save and title your project so you can get back to it in the future. Alrighty. I hope you guys had a fantastic day. Bye!